Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.4, Problem 6. This is Section 3.4, Problem 6. It says multiply the given numbers, and we have 120 times 0.54. So to get this started, I will write 120, and I write underneath 0.54. I don't really have to have the 0 in front. And I'll multiply that. So to multiply this, at first, just ignore the decimal. Just multiply 120 times 54. Start with that. So 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. That takes care of the 4. Now for the 5, before I start to multiply, I want to move over one position to the left. So you can leave the rightmost spot blank, or you can fill in a 0 to hold your place. And now 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10. So I'll write 0, carry the 1 for the 10. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 more that you carried is 6. And now I'll go ahead and add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 0 is 4. Nothing plus 6 is 6. So when I multiply with no decimal, I get an answer of 6,480. But that's really not the answer because I have to put the decimal back. So now go back to the question, count the total number of digits after the decimal in your question. So 120 didn't have any place after the decimal. The 0.54, though, I have 2 places altogether after the decimal. So go to my answer and put 2 places after the decimal. So for 2 places after the decimal would be positioned between the 4 and the 8. And I get 64.80. Now with decimals, the 0 at the end doesn't really change anything. So you can absolutely leave 64.80 if you like. Or you could just simplify it a little bit and call it 64.8.